Peanut and the Forest Walk. This is Peanut. She is 8 years old. She has 3 big brothers and 1 little sister. Today, they are on a walk with the National Trust. 21st March, World Forest Day. It was World Forest Day, and Peanut with her family were out on a field trip. It is a beautiful day for a walk. There was lots of sunshine. They saw birds and lizards like the iguana, lots of insects like dragonflies. They even saw a snake. I smell something burning, Peanut said. Everyone stopped and sniffed the air. Look, her brother Bass pointed. I see smoke. Should we call the fire services? Simon asked. The number is 911. Everyone ran to the spot. It was a campfire. Don't you know that we don't allow fires in the forest? The guide said. We could have a forest fire. Sorry, the campers said. And they ran to get water from the spring to put the fire out. Phew! We saved the forest and the animals, Peanut said. O2, the guide told them, people breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen, CO2. We need each other. This is why we should try not to cut down trees or start fires in the forest. If we must cut one down, then we should plant 2 to replace the one that we cut down. The roots of the trees go very deep and they help stop landslides. Peanut likes days when good things happen. And today has been a good day. The end. Until the next adventure. You have been listening to Peanut and the Forest Walk, written by A.L. Dawn French and read by myself, Kirk Cambridge Delpeche.